Hi, my name is Mr. Chu and welcome to my study room. In today's study, we are solving question 18 of Wassce 2022 core or general mathematics paper. And it says make t the subject of k equals m square root of t minus p all over r. Right. Making t the subject of this expression simply means we should make it t equals to all the other variables at the other side, or we should move t to one side of the equal to sign so that all the others also be at the other side of the equal to sign. The first thing we would like to do is to move this m to the left hand side, and here we are going to use inverse operation. Inverse operation is, since this m is multiplying everything in the square root, if we want to remove the m from here, we have to use the inverse of multiplication, which is division. So we divide here by m, and since we are balancing, whatever we did to the right hand side, we do the same thing to the left hand side. So now this one cancel out this m. We now have k over m to be equal to square root of t minus p all over r. Then we cannot do anything to this t unless we remove this square root sign. And how do we remove square root sign? Good. I'm sure you are telling me we have to square. So when we square here, that removes the square root sign. And again, because we are balancing, we don't want to change the meaning of the question. Whatever we do to the right hand side, we need to do the same thing to the left hand side. So now the square cancels the square root, and then we have to expand this, and using the laws of indices, each of these have to be squared because the square is affecting both of them. So we are going to have k squared over m squared to be equal to, the root is gone, so we have t minus p all over r. Then again, we cannot do anything to the numerator unless we remove the denominator, and this is dividing. So the inverse operation of division is multiplication, so times r. Then whatever we do to the right, we do the same thing to the left. So now this cancels out this. This is the same as r over 1. So this is going to give us r k squared. 1 times m squared will give us m squared, and that will be equal to t minus p. Then we want the t to stand alone. So again, what do? We add p to both sides because this p is minus, and the inverse operation of subtraction is addition. So we do plus p, and whatever we do to the right hand side, we do to the left side again. So this will be plus p. Then this one will cancel this because of the inverse operation. So we are going to have r k squared over m squared plus p will be equal to t. And this should be our answer, but looking at them, they're all sharing the same denominator. So that means we have to simplify this further. And to do that, this is over 1. So let me just do it at the left hand side. Our t will be equal to LCM for m squared and 1 will be m squared. So that gives us m squared. Then m squared divided by m squared is 1 times everything at the top here, we just give her the same thing. So r k squared plus m squared divided by 1 is m squared times p will give us p m squared. And looking through the possible answers, that becomes option B, and that is the answer to our question. I hope this lesson has been of help to you. If yes, then kindly consider subscribing to this channel for more videos. Till we meet again in my study room, it's a bye for now. Thank you. Bye.